Greetings everyone! In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to share full reels on Instagram stories. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. To start, open up your Instagram profile and click on the three-line icon. From there, select Saved and you'll find all your saved reels. Now, let's say you want to share one of these full reels on your Instagram story. You can see that the duration of this particular reel is 35 seconds. To share it, click on the share icon and select Add Post to your story. Click Share and you're done. If you go back to your feed, refresh the page, and click on your story, you'll see that the reel has been successfully shared. Click on the reel and swipe up to see the full reel that has been shared on your Instagram story. That's it! You now know how to share full reels on Instagram stories. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.